once my car hit about 8,000 miles.
That's kind of crazy.
That's like 500 miles away.
So what I'm hearing is we're gonna go to the beach.
When? Today?
It's too cold for the beach today too.
Where should I go? Maybe behind this one. The shifting feels a lot better though. You can tell. Can't wait till it's broken in so I can actually test it. First day, it was just right there chilling. But the second day, that's when they're working for it. Damn lady staring. Need a big ass German Shepherd in the back too.
The gym's gonna be packed or not really?
It looks like it, but
it looks like it, but then it doesn't at the same time.
Alright, I just got out the gym. As you can tell, this video is more like a chill drive. I have already picked up my car from the shop. It was getting the upgraded clutch and the flywheel installed. So right now I'm just basically kind of like just breaking it in. I'm just taking it easy. Once I do pass the breakage miles, I am going to be changing the map to the 25 psi because I know this clutch can handle it. But for right now, I'm just chilling on the 16 and just taking it easy on the clutch and recording a little drive POV for you guys so you guys could kind of relax, chill, watch the video and enjoy it. So far the clutch is pretty good. I like it. It does feel like it holds the power more, way better than the stock one. I could tell even when I'm barely shifting at a low RPM, that thing just hooks good. I'm excited to break it in and just test it out with the other map. I'll for sure record a POV drive for you guys whenever that does happen, but for right now I'm gonna just go ahead and take it easy and let's get back into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoy it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for me. It does help out the channel and it does show me that you guys are enjoying the content. Yeah, this video is more of a chill drive, just breaking in the clutch. The clutch definitely feels good. It is a little more different than the stock. You'll get used to it. You could definitely tell that it grips a lot better and the car just feels a lot better. If you guys are looking for a clutch to get, I'll go ahead and add the clutch I got and put it in the link in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'm out. Peace.